I would like to invite you to our class Introduction to Small Business. I'm your teacher, Leah Conklin-Olson. Are you interested in small business? Join our class. Introduction to Small Business meets from Monday through Thursday, 11:30 to 1:30. You can attend in person or you can attend online. This is called HighFlex. The start date for this class is October 4th, 2021. What will you learn? Here are the learning goals. Business planning. You will learn how to research for your business. You will be able to complete a 10-step business plan. You will learn about customer service, how to build customer relationships, how to do business transactions, and you will help do work with our Hub's online store. Digital skills. You will learn about using your email, website navigation, and basic computers. Financial understanding. You'll learn how to do sales transactions and the math involved in sales transactions and the math involved in business budgeting. Marketing skills. You will do customer research to find out who your customers will be, and you will learn about marketing strategies to promote your business to those customers. Online sales. You will learn about becoming an online vendor with companies such as Amazon and Etsy. You will also have the opportunity to build your own business website as well as help with managing the Hub's online store. Is this class right for you? If you want to learn more about business, then you can learn the basics and practice with the Hub store. If you have an idea that you want for your business, you can explore that idea. You can research your business and create a business plan. If you want to sell things online, then you can learn how to set up a website, or you can learn to be a vendor with Amazon, Etsy, and Facebook. Then yes, this is the class for you, if any of these three options are right for you. Want to sign up? Let your teacher know or contact an advisor, Ruth Rodriguez or Ying Wang. Can't wait to see you in class on Monday, October 4th.